Meanwhile, mixed reactions following the announcement of a special fund to assist with the housing needs of vulnerable Jamaicans. The announcement was made in Parliament yesterday. Jamaica Maitland reports.
To be frank, all of us know $1 million can't do nothing. And I would prefer if you speak to your colleague in front of me and see if we can do something meaningful. I mean, the announcement is good, but when I'm thinking of what what impact you can have in any, even if I take one of my urban communities, it is less than a drop in the bucket. I know the constraints, but let's try and find something that can have a meaningful impact.
An unimpressed Member of Parliament for South East St. Andrew, Julian Robinson, criticizing the $1 million Resilience Fund to provide relief for vulnerable Jamaicans. Minister of Housing, Urban Renewal, Environment and Climate Change, Pernell Charles Jr., provided details of the initiative in Parliament on Tuesday as a response to the calls and letters for assistance from citizens.
The Ministry will collaborate with MPs. We will provide directions and support for the initiative, and I implore my colleagues on both sides to submit the requested information at the soonest and no later than February 2022. It is my hope that we can be able to assist, if even in a small way, before the next season starts.
But the parliamentary opposition questioned the extent to which the funding can be impactful. It's expected to last for 1 year.
It's our intention to start here, but to continue in the next financial year with larger programs that will support in more significant ways the resilience building effort in communities. But we have to start somewhere.
The opposition further criticized what it describes as the lack of streamlining of government agencies that have housing mandates. And what about the survey for informal settlements across the island, to which Minister Charles Jr. has responsibility? According to the minister, the project, which was earmarked for $52 million, has been stalled due to the pandemic.
We have 8 parishes now completed. We would need about, I think it's 47 million to complete the rest. I think 52 million was the first budget for the initial survey. But we'll need some money to complete the rest of the survey in relation to the parishes that are not yet done.
Jamaica Maitland, TVJ News.